Hi guys, good day. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove your cabin filter for Citroen C5. It's just the same with the Peugeot 3008, but I'll show you how to do it.
Tools we need: 1. Flat screwdriver. 2. Star Allen key size T20.
All you have to do is pop this open, this cover for the screw, like so. And you need this tool to remove this Star Allen key screw that's holding on the cover for the side. Cover is right here. Gonna remove it, pop this open, and your filter is right inside. Just pull it out slowly, not to damage the filter. And one more at the bottom. Slide it up and pull it out. There you have it, guys. This is your pollen filter or cabin filter, and it's right over there.